This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performances do not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk. There's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading.
Good afternoon, traders. Scott Norris here with your Forex report. Today is Thursday, November 30th, 2006. The dollar suffered a great loss in the broad market today, leaving the currency at a new 14-year low against the pound sterling and one-year lows against several other currencies. This really comes at no surprise after seeing the greenback struggle to gain yesterday on the back of a very promising GDP revision. Today's releases were also top tier and included personal consumption expenditures and Chicago PMI. The PCE, the Fed's preferred measure of inflation, came in stronger than expected for the month and in the year-over-year reading. This led to a volatile reaction in most pairs, but did very little to help the buck overall. Traders then proceeded to sell the dollar ahead of the Chicago PMI, perhaps expecting that the number would fall into the trend of weak U.S. data. The Purchasing Managers Index did come in much worse than economists had predicted, falling from 53.5 to 49.9 rather than rising 1 point as expected. After a few minutes of indecision, the dollar plunged lower and never looked back. It was not until European trading came to an end that the bleeding stopped for the greenback. There was only one currency that underperformed the dollar in this bloodbath, and that was our neighbor to the north. The Canadian dollar lost 35 pips to the buck today, despite oil and gold both rallying. Canadian GDP was the catalyst for loonie weakness as the economy contracted 0.3% in September and grew at an annualized pace of only 1.7% in the third quarter. These results compared with forecasts of flat for the month and 2%. Tonight's calendar includes GDP out of Japan, which could play a big role in yen movement through the Asian trading session. European data is less important, consisting of only German and UK PMI numbers. We will wrap up tomorrow's U.S. session and the week with Canadian employment and U.S. ISM manufacturing. Till then, have a wonderful night trading. Take care.